like really bad. It's like way bad.
About to pull this D series out. About to make some real power with that B series.
That's what I hear.
Kevin's gonna do his magic.
Some real old school power.
His real old. Yeah, I can't wait.
Little bit of grease up in there, and just a little. The top's clean. Underneath, a little greasy. Greasy.
So is there any method to the madness?
Dude, I haven't taken apart a stock Civic in so long. Since we're gonna paint the bay, I might as well pull everything from the bay instead of just trying to pull it out as quick as possible. Method, if I got two people working on it, somebody just does all the stuff on the bottom while I'll pull all the coolant lines and all the wiring stuff and pull it back. But yeah, it's kind of like several different ways to do it. Everybody does it a little bit different. I'm just found little shortcuts along the way. But taking apart a stock car has been a long time, so this is really fun. Poo-poo water in there. Rust water. I'm thinking about this ABS unit, and I gotta get this out of here. So we'll be changing the prop valve. It has rear disc on it, so we'll get the proper prop valve for it, which has a big master. I think it's a 15/16 on the ABS cars, but all the stuff discontinued for the non-ABS cars, I'm pretty sure. So we'll have to make some lines, bend some lines for it or something. We'll see how far we go with it. Get everything out and cleaned up. All right, it's what? It's a 10:55. You think I'll have this thing out? If I win, you're buying me lunch, right?
I guess so. They heard it first right here.
I'm telling you. I
guess you like 79-cent burritos. It is summertime.
It is summertime in the Pacific Northwest. Alright, we're going to take this and give it to Earl. We're going to do a quick guitar build and throw it in our Fab Prep guy's car that he spun a rod bearing on his stock single cam. So we'll do that over the next week.
Car goes to body on
Body and
Monday.
paint on Monday. So we're going to get it all cleaned up. And just, yeah, get it so it's a roller and drop it off at the body shop. Hopefully they can get that done in a week, because we're just painting the bay and the outside. We got to strip the bay a little more and clean it up just so we can get a fresh paint job on the bay, because it's all yellowed. Yep, this thing is pretty stock virgin, man.
Time for me to buy you some lunch, I think.